Today, we're going to be blowing some stuff up. We've got a lot of stuff to blow up, so let's get on with it. First up, we've got some bug spray, maximum protection, so hopefully we can get a big blast out of this one. We've got the GoPro over there. Not sure what to expect with this, but let's see. I do have a fire extinguisher on hand just in case, but we did have a little bit of snow a few days ago, so hopefully that's enough. Well, I hit it. There is definitely bug spray all over this table. It's just not existent anymore. Next up, we've got some dry spray antiperspirant, and whoo, I can smell that bug spray. I definitely hit it. So let's see what this does next. I saw a piece fly over here. Oh yeah. Took 2 shots, but I got it. Here's the bottom. Oh, here's our bug spray. I don't know how I missed that. But oh yeah. Next up, we've got some cooking spray, non-stick, so hopefully that means that it won't stick to my table. Yes, there's a massive hole in the table here. That's because I aimed a little too low with my shotgun. I don't think this will fix that though. Blew the cap off. Not too much further, lays the can. Oh, the oil's actually bubbling. Next up, we've got some hairspray. I'm thinking this should give us a nice explosion. This went flying. Ooh, that's actually quite cold. That's actually very cold. It's definitely nice on this warm day. Next up, we've got some shaving gel. Hopefully this will give us a nice messy reaction. Ooh, that gave us a nice explosion. Like I said, very messy. But that was really cool. GoPro started to overheat a little bit and started shutting off, so this is what I'm doing in order to kind of shade it a little bit. Anyways, starting fluid. Let's see how this goes. So it did blast a little bit of the shaving gel away. And here's all that's left. Oh, and a little bit over here. GoPro keeps overheating, so I'm hoping I don't regret this in taking it out of the case, because I'm pretty sure that's why it's getting hot, is because it's just in that case. So I'm hoping I don't regret this, but we've got some spray paint. I might just put it as far away as possible. It's probably going to get the lens all screwed up, but let's see how this works. I've also repositioned myself so that hopefully you guys can see a nice colorful explosion. Yeah, I probably should have kept it in the case. But on the other hand, that was pretty cool. And I actually like the orange color to the GoPro. Alright, GoPro's back in the case. Let's do it again. This time with green. Alright, so significant more spray paint on the table now. Definitely glad I put it back in the case. Cause yeah, it ain't looking too pretty. We've got some WD-40 now. I wonder if that will help loosen up any of the paints that spilled a little bit on the table. Just a little bit. Maybe I'll clean it up. Clean it up a little bit. Anyways, we've got some carburetor cleaner. Maybe this will also clean it a little bit. I'm hoping this butane will give us a nice little explosion. This is pretty much all I feel comfortable with shooting at from this distance. And then we're going to move back a little ways because we've got some fun bottles to shoot. Honestly, I'm surprised how good my shot is today. Normally, I'm not this good. But I have no idea where most of these bottles are going. I mean, obviously we've got the WD-40 right there. Spray paint bottle cap. Alright, so now we go on to the fun stuff. And maybe I'll put it over here. Not sure what I'm expecting, but I'm hoping it's somewhat good. And yeah, for obvious safety reasons, we are much further away. Because I've got some propane and some MAP gas. So yeah, that should be fun. All right, so I definitely hit it. I honestly wasn't expecting it, but yeah. Well, that's cool. And what happened there? Oh, that's interesting. Well, I've got another bottle. Curious, was that another part of the stem, valve stem there? No. So what happened there? I wonder if I shot right there, the bullet went through on the other end, and because of so much pressure in the bottle, it exploded right here as well. Because that's the only way I can think of that happening, because there's only one valve stem here, or what I assume is a valve stem, and there's nothing on this new bottle. I'm glad I bought two, because that honestly surprises me. But that's the only way I can think of that happening. If you've got any suggestions, leave it in the comments below, because that's interesting. On my first bottle, when it got knocked down, I obviously hit the table. I'm honestly surprised that it didn't fall off. Anyways, got another bottle of oxygen. We're going to shoot it again. Now that I know where I'm shooting, hopefully I hit it on my first try. And GoPro is out of the protective case because it keeps overheating. I mean, it is pretty hot outside today. Surprising for April. I thought I missed, but I don't think so. No, I actually did hit it. Didn't happen on this one, but yeah, no, I hit it. I'm actually quite surprised. I thought I just hit the table again, which I did, and that's why it fell off again, or it fell on its side. But oh wait, it did. Multiple places. That's interesting. Like I said before, if you have any ideas on how this happens, you know, with 5 different holes, please leave any ideas in the comments down below. So, propane. We love it. We use it in our barbecues. We use it in some vehicles. And now we're going to go shoot it. Excited for this one. I'm expecting a good proper explosion out of this. Hopefully. Yeah, that went pretty far. That's over 40 yards. Let's see if it did the same thing. I'm expecting it to be pretty cold. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. So, whew, that is extremely cold. But I'm just seeing those 2 holes. So, that's where it entered. That's where it exited. Yeah, you can see all that frost on there. Propane will do that. It's extremely cold. For our last item, we are going to go with MAPP gas. I'm expecting quite a big explosion out of this one. So, that's where the bullet first went through. That's where it exited. And blew off that cap. Wonder where that went. And yeah. So only the oxygen made multiple different holes. Yeah. It's pretty cool. That was quite fun. I hope y'all enjoyed. We'll see you next time.